Chapter 17. More about prepositions. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun or a noun equivalent to show its relation to any other word of the sentence. The noun or pronoun or the noun equivalent is called its object. Bob is coming with Bill. Preposition before a noun. What do you think of him? Preposition before a pronoun. Alicia is skilled in baking. Preposition before a noun equivalent. Read the sentences. Put the cap on the dish. The cows are in the field. Mihir goes to school. She is fond of reading novels. Latika lives with her parents. You should stand by your friend. The fan is moving over our head. The sky is above our head. In the above-mentioned sentences, prepositions on, in, to, of, with, by, over, and above show the relation of some nouns, noun equivalents, or pronouns to some other words in the sentences. Note A. Prepositions may also govern some other parts of speech. He walks about from here to there. Preposition governs an adverb. I have heard of this before now. Preposition governs an adverb. B. Prepositions may govern phrases and clauses as well. He is ignorant of how to swim. Preposition governs a phrase. I told everyone of what I had heard. Preposition governs a clause. It depends on how you do your duty. Preposition governs a clause. There are a few important prepositions which are used in almost 80% sentences in English. They are to, by, with, for, from, than, of, in, at. Position of preposition. First, normally prepositions precede nouns or pronouns. I gave a book to the boy. The cat jumped on the rat. I know nothing about him. Second, when the object of the preposition is an interrogative pronoun or a relative pronoun, the preposition is placed at the end. What are you looking for? Where do you come from? Who, whom are you speaking to? This is the boy I spoke of. This is the girl whom I spoke to. Here is the book that you asked for. Here is a chair to sit on. To sit on means to sit on which. Kinds of preposition. Prepositions may be arranged in 6 classes. First, simple prepositions. At, in, by, of, for, on, over, under, up, to, from, out, with, etc. Second, double prepositions. Into, onto, within, without, from, among, towards, etc. Third, compound prepositions. These are formed usually prefixing a preposition to a noun, an adjective, or an adverb. Across means on plus cross. Along means on plus long. Behind means by plus hind. Besides, made by adding by plus side, means by plus side. A is used in place of on and B is used in place of by. Fourth, phrase prepositions or prepositional phrases. Groups of words used with the force of a single preposition are called phrase prepositions or prepositional phrases. He succeeded by dint of merit. Fifth, participial prepositions. Some present or past participles are used as prepositions. What do you know regarding this proposal? Sixth, disguised prepositions. Sometimes A or O are used as disguised prepositions. A means on, O means off. Potato sells ₹15 a kilo. She comes here once a week. Off can be changed into O as in 5 o'clock. Some important prepositions. At, in. He is at home denotes rest. He is at his office means on duty or at work. He is in the office denotes inside the office. Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.